is after Freud, there are some fellow comes. Who are these fellow? Fellow were students of Freud. Fellow were students of Freud. These are the follower of psychoanalytic perspective that I have already discussed a little bit in brief. We'll discuss in detail in next upcoming lecture. How that much is needed here only. What are these students? These students are actually the follower of Sigmund Freud or the follower of psychoanalytic theory. These students are actually the follower of psychoanalytic theories. Okay. They modified this psychoanalytic theory by Freud. उन्होंने क्या किया? They modified the psychoanalytic theory by the Freud, and what they are called? They are called Neo-Freudian. Okay, they are called Neo-Freudians. Now we will discuss one by one about Neo-Freudian, little one. We will discuss in detail in next upcoming lecture. How much is needed for personality theory? We will discuss here only. Okay. Now we will discuss the Neo-Freudian one by one. First come is the Jung. Jung says that unconsciousness is not responsible for personality. Sigmund Freud says that unconscious motives are responsible for the personality development, but Jung says that it is not the unconscious motive. He says that personal unconsciousness plus, it is not the personal unconsciousness. Personal unconsciousness plus collective unconsciousness. UCS means unconsciousness. Both are responsible for personality development. What is this collective unconsciousness? Means ancestor A, ancestor B, ancestor C, इनको plus A plus B plus C. This is collective unconsciousness. Means memory shared by close human species. Okay, memory shared by close human species. This is the concept of Jung. He says that it is not only the personal unconsciousness, but the collective unconsciousness is responsible for personality development. Okay. Next is Adler. What does the Adler says? Adler says that it is not unconsciousness. No. It is the social urges. That are responsible for personality development. How these social urges develop? That if a child is born with a complex called inferiority complex, child is developed with an complex called inferiority complex, and he wanted to, as he grows, he always wanted to become superior. As a child grows, he always wanted to become superior. It is called striving for superiority. Striving for superiority. Striving for superiority. Okay. He says that striving for superiority is due to some social urges that a child have. Okay. Means social urges and the striving for superiority is responsible for personality development. This is said by Adler, Alfred Adler. Okay. Carl Jung says that collective unconsciousness is responsible for personality development. Adler says that social urges or striving for superiority. Okay. Next is okay. Collective unconsciousness, personality, social urges, or striving for superiority, responsible for personality. Next is Erich Fromm. He says that it is the environmental interaction is responsible for personality. Actually, Erich Fromm have closeness with nature. So he says that the closeness of nature is responsible for personality development, or how the person interacts with the environment is responsible for personality development. Okay. Next is sorry, some okay. Next is Harry Stark Sullivan. Harry Stark Sullivan. Harry Stark Sullivan says that there is some interpersonal relationship between the persons are responsible for personality development.